Today we'll introduce how to use motorcycle adapter for Honda to complete key adding and all key lost. Let's first take a look at the key adding process. Required tools: motorcycle adapter and cable for Honda, cable for Key Tool Plus, original key, remote to be generated. For clarity, we are operating on a standalone motorcycle SCU module, which is typically located underneath the seat or beneath the fuel tank. For this demo, we use the Lead 1 to 5 module. Step 1. Remote generation. Here is the remote to be generated. Place it into the coil of Key Tool Plus. Click on Remote Program. Select the corresponding option. Then click on Generate. Generation completed. Step 2. Check wiring diagram. Click on IMO Programming. Go to Motorcycles. Honda. Select from System, Keyless Go. The correct type should be selected based on the larger connector found on the SCU module. Here we select type 112 pin. After entering the interface, click on Wiring Diagram. Step 3. Connect according to the diagram. Start by checking the larger connector on the motorcycle SCU module and matching it with the corresponding plug on the adapter cable. Then connect the cable to the adapter, followed by connecting the adapter to the Key Tool Plus cable. Next, connect the Key Tool Plus cable to the Key Tool Plus device. Finally, supply 12 volts power to complete the setup. Step 4. Understand mode switching. During the process, the remote mode needs to be switched multiple times. Click on Switch Mode. When the indicator light turns green, it indicates working mode. Long press to switch. When the indicator light turns red, it indicates disabled mode. Step 5. Key detection. Before proceeding, check if the remote is unmatched. Click on Key Detection. Follow the on-screen instructions. It shows unmatched. This can be used for Add Key. Step 6. Add Key. Click on Add Key. Follow the on-screen instructions. Completed. Step 7. Key detection again. Detect again. It shows key matched. Key added successfully. Here we will additionally demonstrate the clear operation. Click on Key Clearing. Clear completed. Check again. It shows unmatched. Clear successful. Now let's move on to the all key loss procedure. Required: motorcycle adapter and cable for Honda, cable for Key Tool Plus, remote to be generated. Here we use the PCX160 module. Step 1. Remote generation. Place the remote in the coil. Select the corresponding Honda motorcycle option. Click on Generate. Completed. Step 2. Check soldering diagram. All key lost requires soldering first. Enter the IMO programming menu and navigate to Motorcycles. Honda. Select from System, Keyless Go. Then select the appropriate type based on the module's connector. Here select type 321 pin. Click on Read EEPROM and view the soldering diagram. Then solder the MCU cable to the module. Soldering process omitted here. Step 3. Read password. Once soldering is complete, connect MCU cable to DB15 cable and connect the other end of DB15 cable to Key Tool Plus. Click on Read to read the password. Password read successfully. Save file. Click on Read password from SCU. Click on Yes. Open file to calculate password. Step 4. Complete wiring. Remove the soldered wires first, then reconnect according to the wiring diagram, same as the ED key process. Only the connection result is shown here. Step 5. Mode switching. Same as when demonstrating ED key. When the indicator light turns green, it indicates working mode. Long press to switch. When the indicator light turns red, it indicates disabled mode. Step 6. Key detection. First, check if the remote is in an unmatched state. Tap key detection and follow the on-screen instructions. It shows unmatched. Step 7. Key programming. Click on All keys lost. Follow the on-screen instructions. Enter the password obtained earlier. Programming successful. Step 8. Key detection again. Check the key again. It shows key matched. All key lost operation successful. That's the full tutorial on completing both key adding and all key lost using the motorcycle adapter for Honda. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. See you in the next video.